Welcome to your weekly horoscope, Sagittarius. From love to career to well-being, the stars have aligned to provide you with guidance and insights for the week of May 8th to May 14th, 2023. Let's dive in. Love. After a critical period between late February and early March, something new or even a revival of an old flame may arise in your love life. You don't have to stand on the sidelines this time around. The stars are in your favor, and no one can stand in your way. Don't waste time dwelling on those who don't deserve you. Take the reins and lead the way. While there are still no guarantees in love, Venus is no longer working against you, and a sudden rekindling of romance could happen at any moment, especially over the weekend. Career. Something positive may happen or change in the final days of this week, and overall, your horoscope is providing a strong protective energy for you. There shouldn't be any issues in managing your future, and from a practical standpoint, if you have an independent or artistic business, there may be some new developments. Just be mindful of overspending on Thursday. This is the best week to think about your future acquisitions. Well-being. Aside from Thursday, the entire week provides good energy, with the peak being on Friday, the best day for your overall physical and mental health. You may need some time to unwind, and the weekend is perfect for doing something fun and rejuvenating. In particular, it is recommended to take care of your diet and exercise routine, as these are important pillars for maintaining good health. Try to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals, and avoid processed and sugary foods. Engage in physical activities that you enjoy, whether it's jogging, yoga, or dancing, as this will help you relieve stress and improve your mood. General predictions. This week, it's important for Sagittarius to trust their instincts and take action towards their goals. The stars are indicating that it's time to step out of your comfort zone and take calculated risks, as this could lead to new opportunities and growth. It's also a favorable time to focus on personal development and strengthening your relationships with loved ones. That's all for this week's horoscope, Sagittarius. Remember to trust in the journey and stay open to new possibilities. We'll see you next week for more insights into your future.